Hi, good morning. Today, I want to talk about the daily stand-ups. I understand these stand-ups are like the status update. So they have to be short and sweet and to be finished in 15 minutes. To make it a bit interesting, we can do some activities, and I'll talk about the activities, but the time is a constraint. So will be talking about around six activities. And number one, so we can start the stand-ups by asking a question. So the question is, what made you unhappy yesterday, and what will make you happy today? Okay, so we can start with that, and this is a good way to start with a positive attitude and tease out the team challenges and figure out how to overcome them. So we can start the question as what made you unhappy yesterday and what will make you happy today. That is one activity. Second would be, as everyone know, it is a 360-degree appreciation. I have done that a couple of times. It works very well. As you know, the fish philosophy, it's a business technique that is aimed at creating happy individuals in the workplace. So you can try out, ask the team what they appreciate about each other and each other's work. If it is awkward to say this out loud, you can ask your stand-up attendees to write them down, then give it to the colleague, a bunch of notes with the appreciative comments on it. So that's a good way to appreciate the colleague. This is one of the activity you could do. So it makes someone's day by giving them an appreciative remark or a note. So it's a positive energy. So that is the 360 appreciation. And the third one, I started this today. In fact, it's Monday. Give one positive thing about the last week and what you're going to complete today. It's Monday. So give one positive thing about last week and what are you going to complete today. Starting the week with a positive outlook has become a tradition for our team. So on Mondays, it can take a while to get into the rhythm, but when we get into the Scrum team and reflect on the positive things from the previous week, we begin to interact with each other in a more productive way. So I started. It was good. People come up with what they have achieved, and they felt happy what they achieved in the last week, and they're trying to remember what they have done last week, which was good. So I liked it. So this is another thing you could do. That is, it's Monday. Give one positive thing about the last week and what you're going to complete today. Yeah. So try the team to share one positive thing about the last week and what they're going to get it done today. That's a good, way to exercise a kickstart the week. And when you're back from a long weekend or from a break, so this would be helpful. Number four, start maybe each stand up with a joke or some funny GIF, photograph or a riddle or something like that. So it will cheer up. I didn't do that. I'm going to do in the next few weeks, but that's something you could try. Or change the meeting location. But these days it's very hard to change the meeting locations because most of them are working from the remote and we need to have a projector, screens, devices. But if possible, if everybody is in working in one office, you can change one location to another location. But changing the position, your reaction will be different. So you could do that. And number six, passing around a speaking token like a ball. I used to do that, but I stopped these days because of the COVID, hand sanitation or anything. But once if we get rid of this COVID, and at some point we could start doing that, that's an idea, something. So these are some of the activities we can do to make them as a fun. So I would like to repeat one more time. So number one, what make you unhappy yesterday and what will make you happy today? 360-degree appreciation. It's Monday. Give one positive thing about the last week and what you're going to complete today, and start the stand up with a joke or a riddle, or change the meeting location, passing around a speaking token. Hope this helps. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. See ya.